Take out the device and all the accessories. Install the accessories rack on the device with a screwdriver. Install the laser pads racks on the two sides of the device, 4 racks per side. Install the 3 big racks one by one, then install the small rack. There is 1 slot on each rack to buckle. There are big and small white rubber rings for replacement of rings and filter. Take off the filter. There's a small rubber ring can be replaced. Twist off the filter. There's a big rubber ring can be replaced. Insert filter tightly in the right direction to avoid loose or wrong installation. There are 2 spare fuses for the replacement. Take out the fuse with the screwdriver. Replace it with the spare fuse. Install the power cord. The black rubber rings are the replacement of rings at the connection of the vacuum and RF handle. If the rings are broken and make the handle have no section, the rings can be replaced. Install the facial vacuum and RF handle. Install the body vacuum and RF handle. Install EMS and EL handle. Insert connection wire and tighten it. Install 40,000 and RF handle. Insert connection wire and tighten it. Install the 2 small laser pads and tighten it. Install the big laser pads and tighten it. Place the handles and laser pads on the corresponding rack. Check all the handles and connect the power cord. Press the power button to start. You can see the handles selection interface after turning on the device. Tap the facial vacuum and RF function. Go to the parameter setting interface. Working time scope 0 to 60 minutes. One area is advised to be treated for 15 to 20 minutes. RF energy scope 0 to 10. It is advised to be 3 to 8. Feeling ease. There are NOR and PRO modes for RF treatment. NOR is the set mode. The red light is on and the RF energy will reach the set energy directly after start. It is suitable for those who want to tighten skin and anti-aging, and those who have strong adaptive ability. PRO is the smart mode. The red light is on and the RF energy will go up to the set energy slowly after full contacting with the skin. It is suitable for those who use it for the first time. PRO mode is advised for the first time of use. Vacuum section time scope 0 to 9. It is advised to be 3 to 8. Vacuum release time scope 0 to 9. It is advised to be 1 to 5. Please note, the release time needs to be shorter than the suction time. Tap Start. Apply essence or facial massage oil on the operating area evenly before operation. Avoid applying dense products, otherwise there will be blocking in the handle. Adjust the suction level according to one's feeling. Twist it to the left to decrease the suction level, and twist it to the right to increase the suction level. When the release time is 0, it is the constant suction mode. Tap EMS and EL function. Go to the interface to set parameter. Working time scope 0 to 60 minutes. It is advised to operate for 10 to 15 minutes. EMS energy scope 0 to 10. It is advised to be 2 to 8. The bigger the number is, the stronger. It is advised to be 2 to 8. The bigger the number is, the stronger the feeling is. Tap Start. Apply essence on the operating area evenly before EMS and EL operation. Tap Ultrasound and RF function. Go to the parameter setting interface. Working time scope 0 to 60 minutes. It is advised to operate for 15 to 20 minutes at one area. Ultrasound energy scope 0 to 10. It is advised to be 2 to 8. It is advised to start from 2 for the first time of use. Increase the energy level to 4 to 8 gradually after adoption. RF energy level ranges from 0 to 10. Apply gel on the operating area before operation. Tap Start. The probe must contact with the skin fully when operating to avoid uneven heat and getting scalded. There will be slight tinnitus when operating ultrasound. Don't worry, it is normal phenomenon. Tap Body Vacuum and Off function. Go to the parameter setting interface. Working time is advised to operate for 20 minutes at one area. RF energy scope 0 to 10. It is advised to be 3 to 8. The bigger the number is, the stronger the warm feeling is. RF energy is advised to be 3 to 8. RF mode is advised to select PLO mode for the first time of use. Vacuum section scope 0 to 9. It is advised to be 3 to 8. Vacuum release time scope 0 to 9. It is advised to be 1 to 5. Apply massage oil on the operating area evenly before operation. Avoid applying dense products, otherwise there will be blocking in the handle. When the release time is 0, it is the constant suction mode. Please note, the release time needs to be shorter than the suction time. Tap Laser Pads function. Go to the parameter setting interface. The first time shows the energy of the big laser parts. The triangle symbol is to control all the big laser parts. When this symbol stays here, it adjusts the energy of the laser pads in the whole line. When it stays at other place, it controls the energy of one single laser pad. The second line shows the energy of the small laser pads. Mode selection. There are 3 modes: It is advised to select M2 for the first time of use. Gel is not necessary during the laser pads operation. Before operation, tie the bandages and fixate the laser pads at the operating area.
You